Hello and welcome to this guidance video for authors submitting to our video journal. In this video, we'll provide an overview of a submission process, highlight key requirements, and offer useful tips to ensure your submission minimizes difficulties for our reviewers. First, let's cover the general requirements for your video submission. Your video should be between 15 to 30 minutes and submitted in MP4 format with a resolution of at least 720p. To make sure your video is easy to use, please keep the file size to a maximum of 150 MB per file and 1 GB in total. Also, all videos must be in English with clear audio and good lighting. These guidelines help us ensure high-quality submissions. Please start with a clear title page. Include the title of your video, the names of all authors, and their affiliations. This helps viewers quickly understand who is presenting and what the video is about. Your introduction is crucial for setting the stage. Begin with a brief overview of a background to provide context, then explain the main topic of your video. Highlight why this video is important and relevant to engage your audience right from the start. Now let's dive into the main content. Divide your material into clear, concise sections, each focusing on a specific aspect of your topic. Use slides, visuals, and examples to illustrate your points effectively. Make sure there's a logical flow between sections to keep your audience engaged. Avoid tables unless absolutely necessary, and steer clear of low-resolution figures and graphs. Ensure that figure legends and tags are legible. Don't forget to add references at the bottom of each slide in a short format. After you finish the main content, please have a concise conclusion to summarize the key takeaways. It is recommended to highlight the main points discussed and provide references for further reading suggestions. Next, let's talk about technical specifications. Ensure your audio is clear and free of background noise. Using a high-quality microphone can make a big difference. Your visuals should include high-resolution images and readable fonts. Avoid cluttered slides to keep everything clean and professional. Edit your video to remove any errors or unnecessary pauses, and maintain an engaging tone throughout. After your slides are ready, it's time to record your presentation. Use Zoom to record your video by clicking on the link shared with you in the invitation letter. Turn on your camera, ensure you have a good audio setting, and eliminate any background noises. Share your screen with your slides in presentation mode. Hit the record icon and choose Record on the Cloud. For more detailed instruction, you can refer to the Zoom Help Center. Remember, the length of your video should not exceed 30 minutes for reviews and 15 minutes for tutorials. Finally, let's go over the submission process. Name your video file with your last name and the topic. Use the provided submission portal to upload your video, and make sure your internet connection is stable during the upload to avoid any issues. In addition to your video, please ensure that your manuscript includes all necessary figures and tables, properly labeled and referenced within the text. A complete list of references should be provided at the end of a manuscript. For more information, please refer to manuscript and video templates and our sample video articles recommended by editors. Thank you so much for watching this guidance video. We are excited to receive your submissions and can't wait to share your valuable insights with our audience. Happy recording!